What if machines could think, learn, and work alongside humans? Not just follow commands, but act like intelligent partners on the factory floor. Step into a world where robots sense, move, and respond with precision, understanding their environment and working safely alongside people. Experience how robotic engineering brings motion, mechanics, and control together, while robots see their surroundings using cameras and sensors, allowing them to identify objects, inspect quality, and act with incredible accuracy. Learn to design and build industrial robots, bringing concepts to life through modern control systems, and watch automation in action as machines assemble, transport, and operate with seamless efficiency. Discover the power of IIoT, where machines communicate, optimize, and make data-driven decisions, and explore how AI and machine learning help robots learn, adapt, and improve performance over time. Understand how hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical drives create motion, and how cyber-physical systems and simulations let engineers test and refine robots before they touch real hardware. Collaborative robotics in manufacturing with AI, ML, and IIoT. Step inside the future of smart, intelligent manufacturing and be the engineer who builds it.